My name is Nana Enim from Ghana Tourism. May I know who I'm talking to?
You are talking to Anna Molander Billy. I'm in the international sales of the Matka Tourist Fair. Matka Tourist Fair, which has been going on in Finland for 32 years now.
Madam Anna, what motivated Finland to come up with this very laudable fair?
Well, the fair is an encounter between people, and we encourage people to have face-to-face meetings. And this tourist fair is the biggest tourist fair in the Nordic countries. And every year we have between 60 and 70,000 visitors, professionals from all over the Nordic countries and Baltic countries, and then the consumers mainly from Finland.
From your own estimation, who qualifies to attend the fair?
Well, we have a lot of countries here, 83 countries this time, and they can be state minister, they can be official sector like tourist boards, and of course private companies.
So you are saying government ministers can attend the fair?
Yes.
Government officials can attend the fair, and then the private sector can also attend the fair.
Of course, they can be here together. The government is to give all the general information about the country destination, and then the private sector can give all the services that the tourists want.
Okay, so if I understood you, you are saying that a state minister is here to give maybe policies, direction of the country,
Of course.
and then the government officials also come in to support, like a tourism authority, the tourism board,
Yes.
and then the private sector, being the stakeholders, come in to do the business.
Of course.
Is that
yes,
correct?
yes. They all work hand in hand to have more tourists in different countries.
Madam Annan, why Ghana here this time? Because all this was 32 years, we knew nothing about it, but this is the first time Ghana is participating. And how do you assess Ghana and Ghana standard?
Of course, yeah, first of all, we are very proud to have Ghana here, and we encourage them to come next years to come. And Ghana is here because the Finnish people, they like to travel, and when they go to Ghana, there is not much time and jet lag, so it's easy to go there, and it's the only destination from the Western Africa, so it has all the good sides for Finnish tourists to come. And in Finland, in wintertime, we don't have any light, and Ghana has a lot of light and a lot of more experience to give to Finnish tourists.
So are you going to send this message to Finnish people?
Yes, of course, and we have been talking about Ghana a lot already for our visitors, and now they come to see your stand.
I'm sure. Good. My name is Nana Enim from Ghana Tourism. This is the first time Ghana is participating in this fair. What about Spain?
Okay, one is my name, and we have been in this fair a lot of years. I started in this fair in 2006. It's now a couple of years, and this concept of exhibition is really nice because it makes a good product for the professional into the travel segment, but also for the final public.
So what are the benefits? Since you have been here for so many years.
The benefit is that in this fair, a lot of people is buying or deciding where to go, and then they can get information in the first hand from people responsible or people really involved. If you buy a trip in a Finnish agency, the seller could be more or less expert in Ghana in that case. But for sure, guy, you are going to be a proper expert in Ghana. So that makes a lot of confidence for the Finnish customer. It moves quite a lot into the confidence frame.
So coming here for a fair, does he add value to your GDP in your country?
Yes, of course. In our case, we receive a huge amount of Finnish people during the year, roughly 132,000 people, and it's quite a lot. But if you like to be seen, it's also a perfect exposure way.
So you think it's going to come every year?
In my opinion, yes. Because if you are not here, then nobody is going to take Ghana in mind. Because if you make a spin around the fair, there's plenty of destinations doing the best.
So we had it all. The benefit of traveling to fairs and exhibition brings value added to your GDP, and we're moving with you. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you.
In Ghana, we say with us.
Okay, we in Spain we say thank you. Gracias. Gracias.
This is the first time Ghana is participating in this fair. What about Malta?
For me, it's my first time, but we've been participating at Matskamp since the early 90s. And it's been increasing its popularity even more so every year. And for us, it's important because now there are the flights again too. And because of the increase in tourism confidence, we think it's very important for it to be for us every year.
So you think it's so important for Malta to spend money on their people to visit here?
Because of the visibility and being in personal contact with the clients who will be booking their holidays to Malta, yes, I think it's very important.
So at the end of the day, the country benefits.
And not always benefits.
How?
Because of the increased number of tourism we get from Finland and neighboring countries in the following year, in the months to come, really.
So you think Ghana should come next time?
Once they come once, I think it's important to maintain the visibility.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any idea as to the number of tourists that visited Malta like last year?
Last year we had 2 million total.
2 million?
Total tourists, total.
2 million? Wow!
From everywhere.
All over.
Yes.
So we are most grateful. We see why we should visit this fairs and exhibitions. At the end of the day, it increases the tourist flow into your country and income generation goes up. Thank you so much.
No,
We are most grateful.
thank you.
You?
I'm Eugene from South Africa.
So, South Africa, what do you do?
I'm a tour operator. Been in the game for nearly 22 years. But this is my 14th time
Wow!
at this show.
I love to hear that.
And the main thing is, as I say, it's the one-off event that you put and you pull and you put and you pull, you see what comes up. But you have to go again and again and again. And especially in a country like Finland, they will come and see you now, and they'll see you next year, and they'll see you the year after. And the 5th year, they'll do business with you.
Wow! So you think Ghana should continue coming?
Yeah, I do believe so.
And what are some of the benefits that come from this?
I started with 0. Now 30% of my 35% of my turnover comes from the show.
Wow! 30-35% come from
Yeah, from the show. Yeah. Not only for you get the people from Denmark, people from Norway, Sweden, the Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia. You get them coming from everywhere. So you have to go and go again.
So you are confirming.
Once is not enough.
So you are confirming that it is good to travel all the way from Ghana to market Ghana here.
Yeah, I think so.
Lovely.
For me, it's important to come from South Africa, and I'm farther away.
Wow. The last question is looking at your GDP back home in South Africa, has the tourism promotion that you've made and others have made all over the world added value to your country's GDP?
Yeah. If you don't market and sell, you don't have business. Full stop. You have to. If you don't market and sell, no business. Coca-Cola once said they would take all the advertisements off the TV, off the fridges. 6 months nobody would buy Coca-Cola.
So I'm here with my brother from South Africa, and he confirmed that it's good to travel from your country to another country to sell your country. Because the more you sell, the more you are able to make money for your country. So it is good to go for fairs and exhibitions. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My name is Inaumu, and I have also finished there.
And what do you do here?
I'm presently the chairperson of Rwandan community.
Why would you, your government, decide to sell Finland tourism and not another?
Have every places, and Rwandan community, as here in Finland, we are quite a new community because we have been living here not so long time. Like, for example, I've been living here for 5 years, and we have our own community here in Finland also. And then our community is quite young nowadays, and that gives the motivation also to increase the people who come to visit Rwanda.
And people that come to visit Rwanda, they don't bring in money. And when they bring the money stay in the country.
Actually, we have really so many things in Rwanda, and especially it's like let's not have this story, mountain gorillas. The people, the tourists who came there, the amount that they pay, about 60% came to the people here who lives close to that mountain gorillas place, because they have to feel like they are belong to the protection of the country also.
So would you recommend that African countries go to fairs and exhibitions?
Exactly, 100%.
And when they go,
Respect really, like people should understand, according to the history, people should understand that Rwanda is not what they have heard quite a long time ago. It's a really peaceful and welcoming country. And the weather is so good, the landscape is so beautiful. We have mountain, Rwanda, and a place where you can go freely without any problem. So more and more to learn our own country, even if it's our own country.
but it brings a lot of money to the country as well.
Yeah, actually, we invest really quite much in our country.
But the tourism play a major role in your country. Thank you so much, and I will be most grateful to you. And you see us.
Good morning, sir. And my name is Lena Penttinen. I'm a travel consultant, having been working long in tourism, doing both inbound to Finland and outbound from Finland. And I mainly work with tour operators, so with professionals. And then I do marketing plans for Finnish holiday resorts and holiday companies.
Madam Lina, looking at patronage at this fair, do you think Ghana has future with this fair?
Absolutely Ghana has good potential. I have been having a look at Ghana, what Ghana has to offer, and to my understanding, this is the place where you should be. And through this fair, you have the possibility to reach not only Finland, but also Scandinavian.
Ghana has been attending fairs and exhibitions. For example, Vacanti, ITB, Couture, Cotton. What is so special about Finland fair that Ghana has to attend?
Oh, I had the pleasure to visit Vacanti last week myself. So it's easy to make a comparison. Vacanti is a good event. I found contacts there very easily. But then again, here in Helsinki, we can add to Vacanti, for example, a workshop that is totally for the trade only. It takes place one day before, and there you can choose to whom you present your country. So you can easily match and have a look who is already coming and make good plans for your work here.
Have you been together before?
Oh yes, I have had the pleasure to visit twice. And I was so honored to be invited. And how come I was invited? We have to go back 2 years. I was attending a trade show in China, Beijing, because Finland is also very much interested in the Chinese market. And there I saw Ghana first time. And then I had the pleasure to be invited by Ghana Tourism Federation to visit country twice, and that way I got to get a deeper look into Ghana. And I'm so confident that you really should be here.
So, were you happy to see Ghana here for the first time?
Absolutely, and also the organizers were very happy to have Ghana here. So I just hope you continue the coming year. So actually I see this as a starting point.
One would say, why should the whole delegation from Ghana travel all the way to Finland for this fair? What are some of the benefits that you think fairs and exhibition brings to the nation?
I'm so happy to see the private sector here, so the tour operators, so the people who really are involved in the business, and they know personally what Ghana has to offer, and let it be the trade days, talk to tour operators, or let it be the public days when you talk to a common Finn planning his or her holiday. They see that you know what you are talking about, and you are building a confidence, and you are much more convincing. I mean, you are good sellers. I saw that in people's eyes when I visited your statue yesterday.
Yeah, but you mentioned the private sector tour operators. What about the public sector, government officials? Do you think it's necessary for them to be here as well?
If I make comparison to my country, I totally agree that the support of the public sector is important. In my country, it's the Ghana Tourism Authority in your case that makes it possible to attend here, like make the infra, so to say, makes the first bookings and announcing that Ghana is here.
So you think Ghana should be Ghana Tourism Authority? What about the Minister of Tourism?
Oh, that would be like a glorious visit if honorary minister would have the possibility to visit Finland, because I have seen her in her work in China, I have seen her in her work in Berlin and also in London, and for sure he's totally professional, but also so easily approachable. And to have the minister to talk to, present at the stand, it's like wonderful. Something I don't experience in my country, because we don't have the tourism minister. But you have that, and she's so good at making contacts. Not only to tour operators, but also for investors, in case there would be investors interested in Finland. Actually, he would be the person to talk to.
Honorary Consulate for Ghana in Finland. We'll be here for the first time. Ghana is participating in this Finland fair. We see you at the Ghana stand, aggressively promoting Ghana. Why this?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm honorary consul of Ghana, and of course I want all the best for Ghana.
Why should somebody travel all the way from Ghana to Finland for this fair?
Well, Ghana is very interesting country, you know, peaceful, very good, interesting culture, warm weather, tropical weather, very beautiful nature, and very safety. That is very important nowadays. And also in English speaking, and you got independence first in Africa after 57. You are now 60 years old, and we are 100 years place where you can see sunshine and where it's warm, and also people are interested very much about cultures, and you have a very